Hey, it's Ryan with Solar Insure. We are here at NABCEP Continuing Education. I'm here with Felipe from EcoFlow. Awesome to be here with you. Thanks for taking a little bit of time to talk to me. Would you introduce yourself to people that may not know anything about yourself or EcoFlow?
Hey Ryan, how you doing, man? Nice to meet you. My name is Felipe Burga. I'm the head of the service team for the Ocean Pro system in the United States. I'm looking forward to show you guys what we have.
Amazing. So I talked with Felipe a little bit earlier. There's a really cool product we have happening here with the new Ocean Pro. So let's start in the end here with the battery. Tell us about the battery. I know we can see on here scale up to 80 kilowatt hours. So this is one single unit, right?
That is correct. So this right here is a 10 kilowatt hour battery.
Mhm.
Has a 400 volt architecture.
Okay.
The benefit of having a system like this is that having high voltage, you can use small wires to connect the batteries to the inverter.
Okay.
So instead of using 2 odd, if you have 52 volts or something like that, you will need only number 6.
Oh, convenient, easy to work with.
That is correct.
Yeah.
Another benefit that we have is you can connect up to 8 of these batteries together. You can daisy chain them together.
Okay.
So you can put up to 8 of them, which means you will get 80 kilowatt hours of battery storage.
And that's as much as it really anybody is going to need.
That is
So
correct.
what's the max output for one of these? Is it rated for like one could do a whole home backup?
No, so if you get 1, you get 10 kilowatt hours. You
Okay.
get 2, you get 20 kilowatt hours.
Nice.
And if you get 3, you can get up to 24 kilowatts, which is the max discharge of
Okay.
the
And
system.
that's going to hit most any large appliance that's going to be inside of a house.
Yes, so we have the benefit that if you put 3 of these batteries together, you can get a max of 24 kilowatts continuous discharge,
Okay.
which means you can pretty much power anything in your house.
Pretty much.
Right.
Yeah.
So
Pretty much. Well, this is only one part of the entire system. Of course,
Correct.
it also includes then the EcoFlow Ocean Pro inverter.
correct.
So tell us all about this unit.
So this is right here is our Ocean Pro inverter. Is the most powerful residential inverter you're gonna find right now in the residential market, which means it's 24 kilowatts up to continuous output. You can do 205 LRA. You can do up to 40 kilowatts of solar. What that
Wow.
means that you have a total of 8 PPTs in this unit.
Wow.
Yes.
That's huge.
Each PPT can do 5 kilowatts,
Okay.
maximum of 550 volts. And then you can do up to max of 16 amps per string.
Okay. That's massive.
It is pretty big. It is pretty big.
That's huge. I mean, that could pretty much cover any situation someone would find themselves in needing solar for.
That is correct. Yes. We have their benefit that it doesn't just take power from the solar. You can also connect any kind of power source that has 120 to 140 volts.
Oh,
You have a
really?
plug right here on the side that you can connect, let's say, a vehicle that has 120 or 240 volt outlet. It doesn't just
Okay.
apply to EVs. There is
Yeah.
also trucks right now that
Yeah, I've
carries,
seen a couple of those. Yeah, you
that have that, right?
the
So
pickup truck or something.
that is
Put it in
correct.
there. Yeah.
So the benefit of that, or even if you have a pole generator, what you can do is you lose power, right? And it's cloudy, your solar system is not producing enough to keep the batteries charged and power the loads in your house.
Yeah.
What you can do is connect your portable generator or your vehicle or any kind of other power source that have 120 and 240 volts. Connect it right here on the sides of the inverter, and you're gonna be able to pull up to 10 kilowatts of that
Really?
source. Yes.
Okay.
And the benefit of that is that when that power goes into the system, goes as AC, and the system turns into DC, has a secondary inverter, and turns into 400 volts. What that means that whatever solar you have at that time, let's say you're producing 1 kilowatt of solar, it will parallel with the production coming from that other source. So you will
see.
have 1 kilowatt and you're pulling 10 kilowatts, means you have 11 kilowatts
Okay.
coming out of both sources to be able to power the loads in your house and charge the batteries.
Wow. That's you covered everything. Really thinking of all of it. Even just looking at it and like touching and feeling this unit's one of the things that I love outside of all the technical. It's just like it's durable, right? This is this is hard. This is metal. This is obviously probably rated indoor, outdoor, right? This is gonna stand up to any condition. You know, you see, this isn't some cheap piece of plastic.
That is correct. It's a very strong unit. It's big because of the amount of power that it has, right? It's not
Sense.
it's not a little thing. The thing you can do a whole home backup with this inverter. Another benefit that we have is that you can do up to 2 inverters with our system.
Okay.
So for a house that is really big and the homeowner says, you know what, I want more and I have a huge piece of land and I want more solar and I want to have more batteries, you can put 2 of these systems, 2 of the 2 inverters with a total of 160 kilowatt hours of battery.
Okay.
And then you can put it, if you want to, 80 kilowatts of solar.
And massive. Wow.
It's pretty big.
It's everything you could possibly need. And
That
this
is
is
correct.
only a little bit of it. We're going to keep moving down. So this is
The smart home panel.
the smart home panel. This is really cool. Felipe was showing me this a little bit earlier. So open it up. Tell us about the smart home panels. I know there are some of these out in the world, but this is brand new.
So yeah, this is what we call the smart home panel 40. The benefit of this panel is that you have a total of 40 circuits right here. All the circuits right here can be controlled and monitored. What that means that is if you can see the production of each circuit, you can control it, you can turn it on and off, and you can see the system can give you an average of usage for each circuit.
Okay.
So let's say at night, when some states like California, let's say Hawaii, stuff like that, where they have time of use, or even Arizona,
massive spikes.
that is correct. Yeah. That is correct. So let's say between 4 and 9, 4 in the afternoon to 9 in the evening, there's when the power gets the most expensive, right? So the benefit of this is that you can program the system to turn off those big loads that you don't want to use at the time. Let's say the dryer,
It's big, yeah.
I don't know, the water heater, pool,
hot tubs,
any of those things. The system can shut down those circuits to prevent your home from using power that is going to be really expensive.
And homeowners just get dynamically, you can see it through the app, and you can say, hey, this is using a lot of power and we're down right now. It's sucking out my battery dry. So just turn this one off, turn that back on. You know, I want to go in this room with the lights on. It's pop that one on, right?
That is correct. And
That's
even
amazing.
when the power, even if the homeowner loses power, they can still program the circuits to the same thing. So you can program the circuit in such a way that if you lose power, it will shut down the EV charger or the water heater or the stove and things like that that really take a lot of power.
Yeah.
So that way that you lose power, you know that your battery is going to last you a lot longer because you were able to shut down those powers automatically.
Yeah.
Without needing to go outside and do it manually. So you have peace of mind knowing that that's gonna work.
And that's the peace of mind, really. That's the number one is you have to have something that is, you said it yourself, you're not going to go outside and you're turning things, you're moving around your place. It could be a storm. It could be crazy, right? Something that's going to just automatically take care of you. Standard. Now, does this unit, is this like, I'm sure the ideal state is everyone installs the whole thing together. Is this like a standard piece with the Ocean, or is this like an addition that?
It's an option. So we have different options. So we have the smart home panel, we have the gateway that's about to come out, and then very soon, hopefully the meter collar.
Nice.
So for people that don't want to have all the smart integration or anything like that, they can just install the meter collar with a meter on top, and that works as your MID. And then you just disconnect when the power goes out, it disconnects from there, and the inverter starts to provide power to the house. Yeah. You will not have the same level of intelligence that you have with this system.
So you got to have it.
But if it fits the budget, then it's going to do what you want it to do, right?
So that homeowner who really wants in-depth, deep knowledge of what's going on in their house, their entire energy management, I mean, this is a great unit to put into that.
That is correct.
It's all connect together. And there's even more that goes into this. It's even further. The whole line is incredible.
So right here we have the EV charger. This unit right here is also an EcoFlow product. And the benefit for having the EcoFlow product as an EV charger is that everything falls under the same ecosystem. Means that everything is under the same app, everything is under the same software.
Convenience.
And what that means that when you get the EcoFlow EV charger, means that you can program it to charge at any time you want, which is the most common, right? You just get home, you plug it in and start charging, or you can set it to charge when the power is the cheapest. So you can set it up to charge between 12 at night to 5 o'clock in the morning, when power technically is way cheaper than any other time. So that way you save money to charge when you charge your car.
It gives you that dynamic control, just like the battery unit does, where you can really make sure you're maximizing your ROI and whatever you're using.
Correct. And the other benefit is you can also set up just to charge from solar, or you can set it up to charge that only from the grid, not using your solar, the power you have on your batteries, right? Because the batteries the amount of batteries you have in a house compared to the size of the battery you have in a car, it's very different. So in a house might have 20 kilowatt hours, 30 kilowatt hours, but the average size on a EV right now is 80 kilowatt hours, which is massive,
insane.
Right? So if you try to use your house,
you battery with the full max.
You're gonna drain them in an hour, right? So the idea is not to use your batteries from home. If you can do it, you have the freedom to do it. If you want to do that, go ahead. But you're going to drain your battery
Yeah.
in an hour, and the next day you need to charge it all over again, which is fine. You have the idea you want to use your battery all the time. But you want to take that into consideration.
Yeah. And this unit connects directly into the inverter, you had said, right?
Yeah,
So you
connects it to the smart home panel.
in the smart home
Yeah,
panel.
connects
Okay.
right here to the smart home panel, and then it just communicates through the Wi-Fi, or you can use CAN communications.
Perfect. And it's just got your standard charger on it.
Charger.
Standard charger on it. And then, of course, if you have one of the non-standard vehicles, you can use the adapter to connect in so anybody can get power from this system.
Correct.
So the last awesome thing I want to make sure we look at is the EcoFlow monitoring. So this is one of the things when we talked earlier that really excited me because there's an insane level of detail that you guys have and are able to show homeowners with this monitoring.
Correct.
So we're looking through the breakers here, but even just diving into energy independence, how much generation you have, how much consumption we're showing, the earnings, that's like direct ROI for a homeowner, right?
That is
As solar installers, we're constantly trying to show a homeowner and convince them of here's how much money you're saving, here's what you're doing. You guys are literally putting it square right in front of their face.
That is correct.
So it's every day they know, hey, my EcoFlow system is saving me XYZ.
That is correct. So the benefit of this is shows you the earnings, meaning the money you are saved by using your solar and batteries at home. This is the power. This is the power you're not pulling from the grid.
Yeah.
Here you're seeing the money you're saving by not using the grid.
Yeah.
And then the money you're gonna keep in your pocket instead of giving it back to the utility company every day, every month.
Yeah. If I'm a homeowner too, I'm looking at this at the end of every day and I'm just marking it down and I'm tracking my ROI.
That is
correct. The whole way down.
correct.
I love too, it's a very simple, just like clean animation we have here. So you can see exactly how much is from the grid, how much you're getting from solar, what your home is using, what your EV is using. So it gives you that dynamic. Is this real time or like near real time power?
Yes. So this is a demo, but in real time, yes. This will give you the real time information. How much solar you're producing at that time, how much you're pulling from the grid or exporting or importing to the grid, how much your house is consuming, how much your EV is using to charge. And usually right here, that tells you that if your power goes out at that time, it tells you exactly how much power you're going to have.
Oh,
left.
wow.
Yes.
Look at that. Get charged and discharged. Now I'm
Yep.
seeing some fun stuff down here too I want to explore because so we have circuits. So this is with the smart home panel.
That is
So
correct.
you could have this directly. Now, does a big unit is this just the demo for it, or could this actually big screen that be mounted?
No, this is a demo. We
Of
have
course,
a tablet.
yeah.
Do have a tablet right here?
Even
I
better.
will show you the
Small
same
one.
thing right here that you're seeing right here. It will show you the same thing. This actually exists. This actually, you can go put it in the homeowner's house.
I would mount that right next to my HVAC system control, and
That's
then
right.
it's like, hey, I'm controlling hot and trying turning on my AC, turning on my heat, whatever, and then like I have all of my solar controls right there.
That's right. So the benefit of having this is like, a lot of times when some places lose power, a lot of times with that goes the internet. Even though your router is still working, but there
Right,
is no
yeah.
internet signal going through. The benefit of this system connects to our inverter and a smart home panel using the hotspot.
Okay.
That's the
So
system has.
even if you lose power, you're still gonna be connected, so you know what's going. You can control your system
That's
dynamically.
correct.
That's massive.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference. So you can see everything from here without looking at your phone, and it's there for you all the time. And as a matter of fact, you can remove it off the wall
Oh, no kidding.
and
So
then take it with you. So
Take it with you.
yeah, so if you wanna say you lose power, you lose power, and you wanna control, you wanna see what the system is doing, you can take this off the wall and take it to your room
There you
and
go.
look at it. What's going on?
Look at where you're doing, and
Yep.
sitting there like, hey, my kid's using too much power down in the basement. Turn it off.
That's right. I mean, another way I see it is you have your kids and you tell them, hey, it's time for dinner, and they're playing video games. You
Turn
can
them
go
off,
ahead
yeah.
and by accident, so poop, oops, the kids are going, oh, what happened? It's like, I don't know. Thank you, guys. Yeah.
Oh,
So,
darn.
yeah.
Ran out of battery. So
Yeah, I interrupt your Fortnite game. I'm so sorry. So yeah, so there you go.
I love that. Yeah, the easy control, especially like the phone apps are great, but even just having on a simplified system like this, you can just easily go by and click is awesome. And then I also saw on here virtual power plant connection.
Yep.
So you guys work with and can be a part of different virtual power
Yeah,
plant
we're working on
programs.
that as we speak. The system is ready for it. We're just working on the integration with other VPP companies out
Yeah.
there to be able to do it. And how VPP works is that you're pretty much it's energy on demand for the grid.
Yeah.
So if the grid needs you, hey, you know what, we need 5 kilowatts, then the utility is going to pay you
They're
for
gonna-
those 5
yeah, they're
kilowatts.
gonna
They
discharge
have
it.
their own rate, stuff like that.
So then with this, you guys are actually tracking then what they're discharging and how much money you're getting paid for it.
That is correct.
Because this is such a great level of transparency. Is all of those programs, I've done deep dives on a million of them. They are all completely, well, we're only going to discharge this much X amount of times. This is a great way that a homeowner could actually verify you guys are doing what you say you're doing, or not discharging me a little more than you're supposed to. I'm making sure I'm getting paid for actually what I'm signed up for.
That is correct.
Incredible. This is such a great system. I love that it's just a full integrated suite together, solving every energy management home need possible.
That is correct. So one of the benefits of having everything under one ecosystem is that everything, when there's a firmware upgrade or any kind of changes, it goes to the whole system, right? There's competitors out there, they have their own panel, but they need to require another battery to work. A lot of times when one of the two pushes a firmware upgrade, then the communication stops. And then a lot of limitations happen. Now you're messed up, and you have to make sure that then the other company has to cut up. Oh my God, they did a firmware update, and then the other company has to launch a firmware update in order to communicate it. And then also the IP integration is not that high. You only see the state of charge and stuff like that, and you need 2 apps.
Yeah, which is then we all have too many apps on our phone as it is.
That is correct. So with this one, you need 1 app, and everything is under one roof.
Easy, convenient, one
correct.
spot. Well, this is incredible. I love the technology. EcoFlow is also on the Solar Insure AVL, so you can get it covered, the 30-year warranty as well. But amazing things you guys are doing. Thank you so much for walking us through. People here who want to learn more about EcoFlow, about the Ocean Pro series, where can they best find out more information?
They can go to our website. We have everything is on our website. The product, it's sold through our distributors. This is not a DIY product, just FYI. This has to be installed by a professional installer that is certified electrician. So if you want someone to do it, contact us on our website, and we will put you in touch with any of our installers on your area and make sure they give you the quote and make sure they walk you through the whole process.
Perfect. Amazing. Felipe, thank you so much.
Man.
Walking us through it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.